Ayan, ang ganda panuorin ng mga ibon, naglalaro.
Wow! Ay!
Mosses function like sponges, using their capillary spaces to hang on to water to help to soak up rainfall, maintain moisture in the soil below, and keep conditions around them humid. Do you know that ants plays an important role in the environment? Ants turn and aerate the soil, allowing water and oxygen to reach plant roots. Ants take seeds down into their tunnel to eat the nutritious elysiosomes that are part of the seed. These seeds often sprout and grow new plants, which is called seed dispersal. And here's my favorite ladyfinger, or okra in Tagalog. Do you know that ladyfinger is a good source of dietary fiber, which helps in preventing constipation, aids smooth digestion, and maintains a healthy gastrointestinal tract? Ladyfinger is a nutritional powerhouse. It's a good source of vitamins. It also provides essential minerals like potassium and magnesium. Additionally, it's low in calories and fat, making it an excellent choice for those looking to maintain or lose weight. So, what are you waiting for? Let's eat okra or ladyfinger. Ayan pa, wala. Cute. Yan o, ang dami. Tuto ako. Para akong tagay, no? Pwede na yan. Ayan o, laki.
Ilaga na lang may...
No, malapit ng magulang. Parang tingnan mo itsura niya. Parang magulang mo. Ayan o.
So?
Oo. Dami ah. Yung iba, yun.
Oo, wala pa yan.
Bukas pa yan. Dami mo ha. Wala ba? Ang ganda. Kuha ko. Ayan, ang galing. Kuha ko. Oh. Ang ganda. Ang galing, oh. Diyan, dito sa malaki. Lipad pa kayo. Ganda ng ano niya eh. Ng pakpak. Oh. Ah, diba? Nandun oh. Ayun oh. Nandun. Nandun sa ano. Sa kawat. Ano ba yan? Spending time in nature can help relieve stress and anxiety, improve your mood, and boost feelings of happiness and well-being. Whatever you call it, forest bathing, ecotherapy, mindfulness in nature, green time, or the wilderness cure, humans evolve in the great outdoors and your brain may benefit from a journey back to nature. If you're feeling blue, try going outside to green, natural spaces. A stroll in the woods has been shown to help combat depression, and even just the view of the forest from a hospital room helps patients who are feeling down. Head for the hills if you need a boost to your mood. If you dwell on your problems and just can't stop, a walk through a meadow might put the brakes on the thought train circling through your head.